Being here in the countryside, you really do feel the winter. The darkness feels so much darker than it did being in London. You really feel the urgency of time. The days feel shorter. It feels sometimes like you're in a kind of gothic children's fairy tale. I would describe my Christmas style as kind of trying to bring as much warm tones into the house as possible. This year, I found this beautiful orangey pink translucent ribbon. We found it in a sort of little ribbon shop in London. But I think really it's about not having everything too perfect, leaving room for the unexpected, for fun little details. This house is always evolving with the family and the people who are kind of coming in and out of it. So it feels like a really creative place to be. It feels like a place for possibilities and dreams. The house has quite traditional architecture, so I think I really wanted to bring as many different bright colours into the house as possible. Pinks with scarlet carpets, greens, blues, complementary colours. So on dull days, you really feel the energy of the colours. Christmas means to me being with the family, being cosy, locking the doors to the world, spending time together, a big slab of Montgomery cheddar on the table, waking up in the morning, having a slice of panettone, and then the children running to the stockings. And then the day is kind of centred around watching old musicals, Shishy Bang Bang, Mary Poppins, those kind of things. The sofa is really the place where everybody retreats to. Lots of blankets, fires, games, stories. We usually end up singing karaoke. As a writer, poet, and actor, a lot of the time I'm spending reading, reinterpreting, kind of looking at the detail of things kind of closely, having my eyes and ears kind of close to the world. And I think Christmas is a similar headspace. It's more about being reflective.